What is up, guys? It is a fantastic day because if you remember from my last video, okay, I'll leave a link up there. I said that I have chosen to do Smart Funded Trader for my scaling up from 10k to 100k to 200k, right? I'm on the 100k challenge at the moment. But I said, I wish True Forex funds, I could use True Forex funds because it would be easier because basically the Smart Funded Trader is exactly the same as True Forex funds, but with no time limit. And what has happened recently? True Forex funds has got rid of their time limit. I feel like this is a perfect time for us traders, right? We have 0 time limits. I guarantee you, if you guys take your strategy but put it onto the higher time frame and take out that stress of like having to trade we don't want to, having to trade through savage news events, because I'll put a screenshot up here. This is the week's news coming out. If you didn't want to trade that, you don't have to. It's just such a game changer when you take away that time limit. And now, even the big players, the big dogs, okay? FTMO, they have got rid of their time limit. So if FTMO have changed the rules to keep up to date with or stay competitive with other prop firms, then it's going to be a game changer for us guys. I'm so happy about this. This is insane. So Smart Funded Trader, no time limit, 5% daily drawdown, 10% overall drawdown. Beautiful. Exactly the same with True Forex funds. Beautiful. FTMO, exactly the same, 5%, 10% overall. However, FTMO do have a more expensive fee. So again, FTMO are still more expensive and you still have to make 10% to pass phase 1 rather than 8%, which you can do with Smart Funded Trader and True Forex funds. However, the time limit is key. So now we've got rich pickings, so we can go max funded if we have the skill set. Obviously, I'm not just saying anyone could do this, but now it's a lot easier and way more possible with the no time limit. You can get 400k with Smart Funded Trader before scaling. You can get 400k with True Forex funds before scaling. You can get 400k with FTMO before scaling. And the little sneaky one I'm going to throw in here, which is exactly the same and kind of did it from the start. However, now they have got 2 phases rather than previously they did it with 1, is Lark funding. Now, Lark funding are great again. Slightly less profit split, but you can get up to $1 million before scaling. Yeah, million before scaling. So now you've got 2.2 million you can get with those companies with no time limits, with reasonable targets, 8 or 10% phase 1 and 5% phase 2, before you do any scaling. Super diversified, and if you have a strategy that's proven and tested and it works for you, then fantastic. Take advantage of it, guys. I'm really happy. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. But yeah, I think it's only going to get better from here on for us traders. And again, if you love this no time limit stuff, because here's a statistic before I finish this off, right? Here's the statistic, right? Apparently, when Smart Funded Trader, right? Smart Funded Trader, I could have got this wrong. So let me know if I am wrong in the comment box below, which I'm sure the majority of you will. 400 people blew their challenges within the first week. 400 with no time limit. So I still feel like maybe the time limit doesn't affect many people, because if they're going to blow the account anyway, maybe they weren't even ready to take the challenge and they kind of like wanted to gamble it and try and speed up the process. And I say to my students all the time, look, take the slow way. Just go to the higher time frames, play it safe, hold small weight. Yes, it takes longer, but the results are going to be way more consistent. Great. If you have a bad month worth of news or week's worth of news, don't trade that week. Wait a week. There's no rush. Like, I feel like people are just trying to rush to get funded, but not realizing that funding's the first step. Okay, yes, you can pass phase 1, pass phase 2, but that's just the first step. That's like just starting out. Now you need to trade for real money, which again is another level of stress on top of that to actually get a payout. Because don't forget, maybe 30 odd people get funded on phase. Oh yeah, I think Angelo on the Funded Trader said 30% of people pass phase 1, maybe 40% of people pass phase 2, but only like 1 or 2% of people actually get a payout after that. So again, it's another level, guys, making sure that you've actually back tested your strategy and you've done it multiple times. And let's say that you're that type of trader that gets to a challenge and maybe you're only 6% or 7% up and you run out of time and you have to reset this is a game changer for you guys. That was where I was for a long time. I kind of had to like over risk or try and get like a good run in to kind of pass in those 30 days. And it was super annoying when I finished positive, but I had to start again. I got a free retake, which is fine, but like I had to start again. And then hopefully the next couple months were good for me so I could pass the second time round. But if you're that trader that always feels short of their target, then these no time limits are a game changer for you. Because don't forget, guys, 2.5% a week is 10% a month. You don't need to be making 1 to 10 trades all the time. It's good stuff, all right? But let me know what you think in the comment box down below, guys. And if you like these videos, let me know. This is awesome. But yeah, trust the process, guys. I'll see you on the next one.